Now the alliance between the Congress and Lalu Prasad's RJD seems to be in trouble. Last week, Rahul and Sonia Gandhi refused to share the stage with Lalu, whom they see as tainted by his conviction in the fodder scam. In response, the RJD chief has now announced that there will be no alliance for 5 seats in the assembly by-elections.
Congress and Lalu Prasad's RJD may be in alliance in Bihar. But look at this. No Lalu Yadav at Sonia's rally in Sasaram and Rahul's public meeting in Aurangabad last week. Sources say both Sonia and Rahul refused to share dais with fodder scam convict Lalu Prasad. But now Lalu has hit back at the Congress in his own style. The RJD chief has declared that his party will have no alliance with the Congress in the by-polls for the 5 assembly seats, clearly hinting that all is not well between the two parties.
बीजेपी के मीडिया वाले लोग हैं, उल्टा पुल्टा कुछ ना कुछ देते रहते हैं। जैसे 5 असेंबली का सीट है हम लोग का भी, तो 5 पर हम लड़ रहे हैं और कांग्रेस पार्टी भी हम फ्रेंडली नीचे।
Elections in Kochadaman, Besi, Chiraya, Maharajganj and Sahibpur Kamal are taking place after the sitting MLAs switched sides from their respective parties to contest Lok Sabha polls. Congress has also made public its intention to contest the 5 assembly seats, but the party is downplaying the rift in the alliance.
देखिए, हमारा गठबंधन लोकसभा चुनाव के लिए हुआ है और विधानसभा चुनाव के लिए हमारा कोई गठबंधन या इस टाइप की कोई अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं बन पाई है। लेकिन दोनों दल के नेता आपस में संपर्क में हैं, लोग कैंपेन में लगे हैं और एकाएक ही उपचुनाव आ गया है, नेताओं के पास समय नहीं मिल पा रहा है। लेकिन जो टेलीफोनिक कन्वर्सेशन है, हमको लगता है कि 1-2 दिन में स्थिति स्पष्ट हो जाएगी और हो सकता है दोनों पार्टियां इसमें एक बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कायम करें।
After forging a tie-up in Bihar, both Congress and RJD had claimed that their alliance would be strong and intact, but the cracks in the alliance are now evident. Clearly, the rift in the alliance even before the elections can severely affect the chances of both the parties. With Rohit Singh in Patna, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.